Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to read the first chapter of the book named The First Flight with the title A Letter to God, written by G.L. Fuentes. Before starting the lesson, we are going to read something about the ideas, something about the creation of the environment related to the chapter. They say faith can move mountains. Yes, my dear, it is said that is a strong faith can move mountains. अगर आपका विश्वास बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो इवन आप पहाड़ों तक को हिला सकते हो. बट वट शुड वी पुट आवर फेथ इन? दिस इज़ द क्वेश्चन दिस स्टोरी डेलिकेटली पोजेस. दैट मीन्स लेकिन हमें अपना फेथ रखना किस चीज़ में है? दैट इज़ द क्वेश्चन दैट द स्टोरी पॉजेस. Lencho is a farmer who writes a letter to God. In this chapter, Lencho is the central or the main character of the story. By profession, he is a farmer who writes a letter to God when his crops are ruined. That means totally destroyed. Lencho नाम का एक छोटा सा किसान है जो कि गॉड को एक स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ लेटर लिखता है. कब? When his crops are ruined. जब उसकी फसल पूरी तरह से बर्बाद हो जाती है. Asking for 100 peso. Peso means a type of currency. Mostly the countries like American countries like Argentina, Chile, etc. Just like we have rupees. Does Lencho's letter reach God? These are the questions that are generally raising in our mind. That does Lencho's letter reach God? Does God send him the money? क्या लेंचो का पत्र भगवान तक पहुंचता है और क्या भगवान उसको पैसे भेजता है? Most of the question like this we can create in our mind after listening the title in the form of a letter to God. How can we write a letter to God? It is very amazing for everyone. Think what your answer to this question would be. You have to think a lot about the answers that may be the proper answer of the questions like this, and guess how the story continues before you begin to read. You have to think a lot about what will be happen there in the story. If you have the amazing title of the story in the form of a letter to God, a letter to God. Yes, my dear. Now from the very first line of the chapter, the house, that means Lencho's house, the only one in the entire valley. That means the Lencho was the only inhabitant who was living in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. Crest means top part of a hill. From his height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flower that always promised a good harvest. Means यहाँ पे जो लेंचो का जो घर है वो एक घाटी में इस तरह से सेटअप है कि वहाँ से ही कैन ईजली ऑब्जर्व द रिवर, द फील्ड ऑफ राइप कॉर्न. दूर से उसका सब कुछ दिखाई देता है कि दूर तक पकी हुई फसल उसको दिख रही है. किस तरह से हल्की सी एक मतलब एक ऑब्जर्वेशन वो कर सकता है वहाँ पे वेरी इजली विद द फ्लावर दैट ऑलवेज प्रॉमिस्ड ए गुड हार्वेस्ट. और वहाँ पे लग रहा है कि इस तरह से उसकी फसल उसको दिख रही है कि दिस टाइम ही वॉज गेटिंग ए गुड हार्वेस्ट. दैट मीन्स अच्छा प्रोडक्शन वहाँ पे होने वाला था अब की बार, ऐसा वो इमेजिन कर रहा था. द ओनली थिंग द अर्थ नीडेड वॉज ए डाउनफॉल मीन्स हैवी रेन और एटलीस्ट ए शॉवर, या फिर हल्की फुल्की. वो सोच रहा था सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ की कमी है, दैट इज़ ए डाउनफॉल और एटलीस्ट ए शॉवर, कि भाई बारिश हो जाए तो सारी कमी पूरी हो जाए, ज़्यादा नहीं तो हल्की फुल्की हो जाए. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. On that particular day, he was just thinking about the future. What will be happen there? What type of crop or harvest he was going to get? We were really going to get some water woman. Woman here, the wife of Lencho. She was discussing with Lencho that this time they were really going to get some water. कि उसको लग रहा था कि हाँ जैसे तैसे बारिश हो ही जाएगी. द वुमेन हु वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग सुपर मीन्स द डिनर, वो औरत जो कि रात्रि का खाना तैयार कर रही थी, रिप्लाइड शी आंसर्ड टू लेंचो. Yes, God willing, the older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called to them all, come for dinner. That means in his family, Lencho have two or more sons. The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called. बड़े बच्चे खेतों में काम कर रहे थे जबकि छोटे बाहर खेल रहे थे और तब तक खेलते रहे जब तक कि उनकी माँ ने उनको ये कह के ना बुलाया कि आ जाओ खाना तैयार है. इट वॉज ड्यूरिंग द मील दैट, खाना खाते हुए टाइम की ये बात थी. जस्ट एज लेंचो हैड प्रिडिक्टेड, जैसे कि लेंचो ने पहले से ही सोचा था, बिग ड्रॉप्स ऑफ रेन बिगेन टू फॉल. इट मीन्स सडनली इट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग, अचानक बारिश शुरू हो गई. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. Northeast, in the specific direction of north and east, huge mountains of clouds. That means a lot of clouds can be seen in the sky. Approaching, they were coming. The air was fresh and sweet. That means the air was totally fresh without any type of pollution due to the presence of moisture in the atmosphere. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling in the rain on his body, and when he returned, he exclaimed. Lancho felt extremely very happy when he saw